In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to connect this device to a monitor. So in order to connect your laptop to a monitor, you're gonna have to plug in an HDMI cable into the HDMI port on the left edge of your PC right here. The HDMI cable looks like this. So insert one side of the cable into your laptop and the other one into the monitor that you want to use with it. And if your monitor doesn't support HDMI connections, you can use an adapter, plug in the adapter into your monitor and then plug the HDMI cable into the adapter. Make sure that the monitor is plugged into the power source. And then in order to project from your PC to your monitor, you have to use the combination of two keys, Windows and P. Press these buttons simultaneously, then select the projection type. You can select between duplicate and extend. If you select duplicate, the image from your laptop will be duplicated onto the monitor, and if you select extend, the monitor will become an extension of your laptop screen. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.